Welcome, today in front of me HTC Desire 22 Pro, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first, let's open Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter Green Apple Keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, click here to open the app and tap Enable in Settings. Near Green Apple Keyboard, click once on the switcher, tap twice to OK and go back. Then click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to Green Apple Keyboard, and the process is finished now. So for example, let's open the app search to see the new look of our device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as they all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.